Hi, this is a review of the Earth for Energy system. Save up to 80% of home electricity on utilizing free energy. Earth for Energy will explain to you how to save up to 80% of home electricity with those homemade power generators. Earth for Energy is a program that has shown people how to create a homemade solar panel and wind turbine from junk or parts that are easily available at any local shop. The program contains a simple step-by-step instructional guide that can be followed easily by anyone. The kit involves the procedure of finding all necessary parts and putting them together, and all this can be done for less than $200. A homemade power generator can be built within 3 days. For those living under a strong sunlight, they can take the option of using a solar panel to collect the direct sunlight and convert the same into solar power. Those who live in areas that can feel the strong wind blowing all the time can make use of the wind turbine to generate wind power for their home. These power generators can help you to save up to 80% of home electricity. Learn how to build a homemade power generator like the solar panel and wind turbine at a shoestring budget by following the Earth for Energy course that shows you how to realize this step by step. Do not entirely depend on free information downloaded from the internet, because if you make one single mistake, the entire project can be ruined. I advise you to follow the Earth for Energy program carefully, as it's written by professional environmentalists. A wind turbine or solar panel can generate 24 kilowatt of power, and that is enough to operate a laptop, television, and a mobile phone charger. Free energy will run for at least a few years. Make power at home with solar and wind energy to eliminate your power bill. Get the complete guide by following the link below.